Bongs are very fishy and crazy about Hilsa fish. Eating this much in any form is their ultimate wish. Hilsa fish, ilish much. Oh, every Bengali loves it so very much. Hilsa fish, ilish much. Oh, every Bengali loves it so very much. Bangal kimba ghoti, it doesn't matter as such. All bongs are just meant for ilish much. You can serve it in kolapata or in china dish. Talk bhaja jhol or jhal, any which way Hilsa fish. Hilsa fish, ilish much. Oh, every Bengali loves it so very much. Hilsa fish, ilish much. Every Bengali loves it so very much. Even this macher tel is an item you just can't miss. And with pui data, this macher matha, chete putes up Hilsa fish. You can have it papa, paturi, but just add some kishmish. And pulao is a delicacy when quick with Hilsa fish. East Bengal jitle ba pujo teo, jora jora ilis. Amar জীবন করে কাটা ছাড়া খাওয়া যায়।